pun napuk yang wes ngam lak banjir.
5 families in Nongspung B village under the Umling CNRD block have been significantly affected by earth cutting, which has caused sand and mud flow into their residences and damaged their plantations. As informed by the headman, Pelimon Tongper and Riton Sumer said that the situation has not only disrupted their daily lives but has also threatened their livelihoods as crops have been buried or washed away. They also informed that the affected families had already filed an FIR at Piling Kata police outpost, and so far no action was taken against the rampant earth cutting.
Kaplan kemna biang cuti ente penting ni dah kabiang plan em kerja jong sini kem tak.
Ibat hi la do kat kan sen bat ne kerajaka ni la dawa he pensil ni rayu ong ban sil tengim la ni kuat petang ban penkhut ya tu siap ong kita ni pat la siap penjulor ka ying la du ka ying te ban penkhut men toy ayo udah hi ban sil kan kat ka ying du nong yang ni.
The 12th Charter